Today we will discuss the mode theory for optical propagations and modes in planar wave, phase and group velocity. Mode theory for optical propagations. In order to obtain an improved model for the propagations of light in an optical fiber, an electromagnetics theory must be considered. The basic for the study of electromagnetic wave propagation is provided by the Maxwell's equations for a medium with zero conductivity. This vector relationship may be written in terms of E electric field as magnetic field, D electric flux density, B magnetic flux density. As the curl equations, we know that del cross is equal to minus del V upon del T, del cross H equal to del D upon del T, and the divergence condition del dot D is equal to 0, no free charge, del dot B is equal to 0, no free pulse. Here del is vector operator. The field vectors are related by the relations capital D is equal to epsilon E, P is equal to mu H. So mu is magnetic permeability. Substituting for D and B and taking the curl, we get del cross del cross E equal to minus mu epsilon del square E upon del T square. Del cross H is equal to minus mu epsilon del square H upon del T square. Using equation 3 and 4, we the vectors quantity del cross y is equal to del dot y minus del square y. We obtain non-dispersive wave equations. Del cross E is equal to mu epsilon del square E upon del T squares, and del cross E is equal to mu epsilon del square H upon del T square. What is del square? Is the Laplacian operator. Scalar wave equation is represented by del square psi is equal to del square psi upon Vp square del T square. Here psi is represent a component of the E or H in the directing medium, and Vp is equal to phase velocity. Phase velocity is represented by Vp is equal to 1 upon under root mu epsilon is equal to 1 under root mu 0 mu r epsilon 0 epsilon r. Modes in a planar waveguides. The planar guide is the simplest form of optical waveguides. We may assume it consists of a slab or dielectric with refractive index n1 sandwiched between two regions of lower refractive index n2. The conceptual transitions from ray to wave theory may be added by considerations of a planned monochromatic wave propagation in the directions of the ray path within the guide. This figure shows the formation of a modes in a planar dielectric guides. Here the planned wave propagating the guide shown in by its wave vectors or ray the wave vectors is resolved into the component in the z and x directions. Here the directions of propagations is z. Here the guiding x is core whose refractive index is n1, and the outer surface is claddings whose refractive index is n2. Here the propagations n1 is greater than n2. The components of the phase propagations constant in the z directions by Bz is given by Bz is equal to n1 k cos theta, and in the x directions Bx is given by Bx n1 k sin theta. When the total phase change after two successive refractions at the upper and lower interface between the point P and Q is equal to ma radians. Here m is an integer. The constructive interface occurs and a standing wave is obtained in the x directions. This figure shows the interference of plan wave in the guide forming the lowest order mode, that is m equal to 0, and it is assumed that the interface from the lowest order when m is equal to 0 standing wave where the electric field is the maximum at the center of the guide, decaying towards 0 at the boundary between the guide and cladding. The opticals wave is effectively confined within the guide, and the electric field distributions in the x direction does not change as the wave propagation in the z directions. It is shown in figure 2.8b. What is the mode? The stable field distribution in the x direction with only a periodic z dependence is known as the mode. A specific mode is obtained only when the angle between the propagation vectors or the rays in the interface have a particular value. The light propagated within the guide is formed into discrete mode is typified by a distinct value of theta. This mode have a periodic jet dependency of in the form of exponential minus j beta gz, where bz become the propagation constant and minus j beta g shows the direction of the propagations. Now there are different types of mode. Dominant mode. The dominant mode in the optical fiber is different from the dominant mode in the waveguides. The visualization, the dominant mode propagation in the z directions, we may consider plan wave corresponds to the ray at different specific angle in the form planar guide. These plan waves give constructive interface to the form standing wave pattern across the guide following a sine or cosine formula. T watt when the direct propagation is jet, and in this mode the electric field is transverse and magnetic field is present in the direction of the propagation. It means that the Ez component is 0 and Hz component is not 0. So transfer electric field mode exists. This shows the T modes in slave of waveguides for m equal to 0, 1, 2. This is T0, T1 and T2. The middle center shows the harmonic variations and the ending center shows the exponential decay. What is the TM mode? Again in TM mode, this is called the transfer magnetic mode. In this mode, the magnetic field is transferred to the direction of propagation and electric field is present in the direction of propagation. So Hz is 0 and Ez is present in the field of propagations. The mode numbers are incorporated into the nomenclature by reflecting the TEM and TM mode, where M is the integers. TM mode. In this type of mode, both the electric both the electric field components in z direction Hz, electromagnetic field component in z direction are 0, means Ez is 0 and Hz is 0. Transfer wave occur in metallic conductors like twisted pair cables or coaxial cable. Phase velocity, this is the actual velocity within all electromagnetic wave, whether the plane or otherwise they are point of constant phase. For a plane wave, the constant phase velocity from a surface which is referred to as a wavefront. As a monochromatic light wave propagation along propagation in the z directions, these point of consider phase table at a phase velocity Vp is given by Vp is omega upon beta, where omega is the angular frequency of the wave. This shows the phase velocities. Lambda is the wavelength between two consecutive minima or maxima. Group velocity, it is impossible in practice to produce a perfectly monochromatic light wave, so light energy is generally composed of a sum of plane wave component of different frequency. Often the situation exists where a group of waves with closely similar frequency propagates so that resultant form a packet of wave. The formation of such a wave packet resulting from the combination of two waves of slightly different frequency propagating together is shown in figure. This shows the group velocity, which is a form of packet is traveling in the direction of propagations. Here the phase velocity, group velocity, the medium is when non-dispersive. Dispersion phase group velocity depends on the frequency. Here the black dot move at the phase velocity, red dot move at the group velocity. This is a normal dispersion reflective index decreases with increasing wavelength. Wave phase and group velocity of a wave packet is rate at which a group phase propagating does not coincide within the speed of envelope. Note that the phase and velocity is greater than the group velocity and Vp is equal to c square. Thank you.